Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change song genre in Suno AI. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to Library. Then in here, choose the song that you want to change the genre and go ahead and click on the three dots beside it. Now, go to Remix and Edit, then choose Use Styles and Lyrics. For here, this will allow you to keep your lyrics, but if you scroll down under the styles, you can go and change the genre from this song. Now let's first hear it.
Salty fries and sacred cure your crisp embrace so
That's how it sounds like with the original. Now, just go ahead and type in another prompt for it to change the genre. After that, click on this remix button. Now it will generate another songs for this different genre. Then you can now go ahead and play it. And as you can see, the vibe or the genre of the song completely changed. You can also hear the other one.
golden yolks.
And that's just basically it. That's how you change a song genre in Suno AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.